Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Gladiator tail light bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a T20 Torx bit, a ratchet, and your replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is completely off for safety. This process is straightforward and can be completed quickly, even if you're new to vehicle maintenance. We'll walk through each step to ensure a smooth replacement. To begin, open your Jeep Gladiator's tailgate fully. You will see two screws on the inner side of the tail light assembly. Using your T20 Torx bit and ratchet, carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should slide out without much force, revealing the wiring harness. With the tail light assembly detached, locate the bulb socket you need to replace. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Now, take your new bulb and firmly push it into the socket. Reinsert the socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to lock it securely in place. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting pins on the vehicle body. Push the assembly firmly back into its original position until it sits flush. Reinstall the two T20 Torx screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but do not over-tighten. Finally, turn on your Jeep Gladiator's lights and check the brake lights to confirm your new tail light bulb is functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.